Welcome back to Wood Acres. Today we're switching the rain harvest system over to winter mode. It warmed up to a beautiful day here, highs above 50, and it melted a lot of the snow and the ice, but it is supposed to get really cold tonight again. And then it's supposed to stay pretty cold. So today, before it gets cold, we need to make some modifications to the rain harvest system. We got all the ducks out together with the gates open. Maybell and the gray bells. Everybody's together right now. Nobody's heading down to the pond though. It is still covered with a thick layer of ice, so I can't really blame them. What are you doing, Pop? We got works to do. Come on. Good boy. Hey Rufio, you keeping it tight, bud? We got some works to do. What's going on, Mumbles? Why do you have chickens in your pen? What are you doing, ladies? I did bring home some wood. We can actually get this up on blocks today too, before the ground freezes. Undabbles, why don't you take your girls down to the pond? Go ice skating. I think they'd like that. Oh, and I also want to get the barnyard pond drained out and cleaned out again so we have fresh water in there before it gets cold. And I also did an ASMR video this morning of the chickens inside the barn with the nesting box that we just built, and I think we need to make some changes. Hey pigs, how's it going in here? Got some open space in here for the chickens, but I was noticing they were having a hard time jumping up. So I think I'm gonna have to put some perch rails here on the outside so they're able to get up to that perch rail and then climb inside the box. Because as far as I can tell, nobody laid any more eggs in there. There's just a few that I put in there to try and entice them inside. The top board is definitely being useful, but I think most of them are still laying inside the crates. Huh, Pants? No, I'm not gonna let you out. You gotta stay inside with your baby. You gotta keep her company. But I was able to find some wood over in the project wood pile that I think is gonna work for the perches. So I'm gonna start, oh, the gray bells are in the pond. They've probably been eyeing it up. Oh, you could see that through the fence. You've been wanting to try it out, haven't you? Already got one in there taking a dip. Oh, is that Maggie? That's Ron. Everybody that can, they're not usually able to get in the barnyard pond, but I opened the gate and they're swimming now. Finally get to zoom again. And I'm sure they missed the koi pond. But even the koi pond's frozen over right now too. I guess I'll hold off for a minute to drain the pond out, but I need to get that drained out soon so we can get it filled back up before nighttime. Pop. Alright, we gotta get something done. We'll start with the perches on the nesting boxes, and then I gotta drain the pond out, and then we'll go out back and get the rain harvest system taken care of. Just a few things today. Did you find a comfy spot, pup? You silly pup. Alright, we gotta go spoil the ducks' party. Party's over, ducks. What's going on out here, Dabbles? Keeping everyone orderly? Good, I hear you, Maple. Everybody out of the pool. Time to do a cleaning. Alright, hopefully we don't have a clog here. Get this lid open. Echo Pup, go get a plastic bag. No whammies, no whammies, no whammies. Oh, we're getting some flow. I don't know if it's not full flow. Might have to just try and unplug it. We'll give it one plug here. Oh no, shoved it in too far. I didn't hear it pop open either. Alright, we have flow, but I don't think we have full flow. I'm guessing the screen got knocked loose. Come on, pup, we can check the waterfall. What's going on out here, Dizzy? Don't get all dirty. Well, we're getting some water flow over here. It's going down, and I put a tarp at the bottom so we don't keep washing away that soil. It's real muddy right now, so it'd take it all in. The water is starting to come up here in the pond, though, with everything melting into it. And we add a little bit every time we drain out the barnyard pond, too. But alright, we'll let that drain for a little bit, pup. We need to go work on the rain harvest system. Ducks, you guys making a mess out here in the mud? Got a lot of little duck tracks in the mud here. You birds. Bag it up, Gina. Now, earlier I was looking around, and I think I have enough spare parts I can fix this rain harvest system without buying anything. Come on, Chicken Jr. You're looking fluffy. But I think these perches were a good idea. I probably should have put them on in the beginning, but I think we finally got the nesting boxes looking right. Hopefully the chickens will start using them. Pop. Oh, Rufio. Keep it tight. Goats. What's going on back here, fluffy goats? You guys got enough hay? Good. All the other pens are full of chickens. We have snowballs, we have the younger ladies, and we got the boys. And I guess we have a pen over here for all the wild birds. Hey, sparrows. Got a whole flock of you here too. I'm sure you're getting your fair share of the feed. But alright, like I've said in some previous videos, we're gonna have to take this first flush pipe off because it fills up with water to take the dirty water off of the roof first when it rains. And that'll fill up with the dirty water and then it'll overflow the clean water. Way to go, Baldwin! But if we leave it like this during the winter, whenever that pipe fills up with water, it just freezes at night and it'll just pop all the fittings loose. And then we end up not collecting any water. So we're gonna have to try and pipe this directly into the tank. And I did screw these fittings together so we can take them apart. Some of these other fittings are all glued together. But I have some old saved pipe and fittings that I think I'm gonna be able to recycle for this. Pop. Way to go, Baldwin. Good job, Rufio. Way to go, Baldwin. Having a little father-son crow-off, pup. Got a lot of them. You guys going south? I don't blame ya. Huh, Pup? You see all those birds? What do you think, Duchess? I think we accomplished what we set out to do. We got everything tightened up here on the downspouts, and I just piped it straight into this first tank. But I can't have the hoses hooked up right now. I gotta make sure those are empty or they're just gonna freeze at night too. But now we can at least start collecting water off the barn again. And I don't know if this is flowing right now or if it's... Oh, yeah, we got water. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up now and get some water into the bottom of the barn. I have some water in this tank. We might as well use it before it freezes. There we go. Alright, well, it feels good to be able to get this done without having to buy any fittings. These plastic pipe can get expensive, and borrowing my dad's tools helped out as well. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't look like the barnyard pond drained down very much. I guess that means I'm gonna have to get my hand wet. Huh, Pup? What are you looking for? Nothing? Okay. Alright, I got the snake out. Let's see if this is any better. Seem to be working. Well, Pup, I guess all plans are subject to change. One of you ducks could help. Oh, there's a big rock in there. Why did that happen? Who did that? Puppy, I just pinched my finger. I know. I can't get it. There's a big rock stuck in there. Hand's too cold. That's just not gonna happen. Well, I guess I need a different type of screen. That is unfortunate. Shut it down, pup. Get that snake out of there. Alright, well I do wish the snake actually worked and unplugged the drain, but it seems like we have a rock stuck inside it and I could not get it out right now. I guess we'll have to try that again later. But the ducks are telling me it's time to close up the barn, and we have a few of them that aren't inside yet. They walk around back. They were just standing at this gate. They probably walked around back. Birds. Hey chickens, go to bed. I hear you goats. Come in folds. Hey, come on Gretchen, go to bed. Go on. You have all the same feed the ducks have. Come on. Columbiana, Snowball. Turn it and burn it. Come on. Foraging time is over. There's barely enough grass for the ducks. Go on. Go on, chickens. Bedtime. Go lay an egg in my boxes. Try them out. Ladies, do not make me get my bird moving stick. Back it up, Gina. Bobtail, Light Duchess. Come to bed, Ron. Come on, get out of here. You have feed. You have feed. You don't need to be stealing the ducks. Go on. Go home. Go home. No, Light Duchess, that's not your home. Come on, Dot. Dot, Muffins. Snowball. Go home. Go home, chickens. It's bedtime. No, 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 no. Yes, you are going with all the other ones that look just like you. You don't need to steal their feed. Go ahead. Go home, chickens. Go on, you're just going to mess up my mulch. Don't back it up yet, Gina. Keep it going forward. Come on. U-turn. Bird U-turn. Come on. Hit it, Spot. Wrap around, Dot, Dot, Dot. Just keep it inside, Bobtail. Go ahead, ladies. Come on, Bonnie. Help me out. Big Bonnie. Be a leader. Turn, chickens, turn. Good boy, Echo Pup. Keep it tight. Come on, just wait your turn. Don't. No, 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 no. Bird. Stay where you belong. Alright, let's make sure we have all the ducks where they belong. Goats. You're always good, aren't you? Ducks! What are you all doing back here? Light Duchess, go to bed. Go to bed, everybody. We're wrapping things up. Who left that gate open? Mambos. Pup. I just want to check the mushroom coop real quick, see if anybody laid eggs in the new nesting boxes or buckets. Baldwin, you got any girls work? Hey, buddy. Oh, don't do it. Don't start. You're gonna You're gonna be on a short trip out of here, bud. Short trip out. Oh, you scratch me, you're done. Oh, he's really going for it. Oh, buddy. You just got a name. That's unfortunate. Don't do it to Echo. Yeah, you'll be gone tomorrow. Come here. Don't taunt him, pup. You got any eggs in here? Anybody use the buckets? No buckets yet. I can't leave the eggs out here though. I would leave them in the bucket to try and get them to go inside, but it's gonna be cold tonight. Oh, ladies. Find a perch. Huh, pup. That's unfortunate. You need to be a nice rooster, bud. You can't be a mean rooster. If you attack me, you leave. That's just the rules, bud. We have plenty of roosters here to choose from. I don't need any mean roosters. Got my eye on you. Huh, pup. Yeah, you make sure he doesn't fight with you. You bird. Huh, pup. Rufio's never done that. Actually, none of my roosters have done that. He is the only rooster that tried to attack my boot. And I have a lot of pretty birds on the homestead. I don't need any mean chickens. Huh, boys? Who's looking good? Huh, Rufio? He's not a good boy like you. Huh, pup. But alright guys, we got the rain harvest system taken care of. It should be good for the rest of the winter. We can try and collect some of this snowfall. We made an upgrade to the nesting boxes that I think the chickens are going to like, and we found a problem on the barnyard pond that we're going to have to figure out how to fix. Now ladies, it's bedtime though. But that's going to be all for this one. If you want to keep following along with everything here at Whitt Acres, make sure to subscribe down below. Hit that like button before you leave and you can see me and Echo on the next one. Thanks for watching. Go pull.